Oh my god, look at this. I finally found my first swing door elevator. You should get pictures.
What?
Of me doing this. Look at this. Oh wow. Yeah, I know. Look at this. I'm forgetting I'm on a swing door elevator. I've never seen these buttons before. Look at this. This is a treat. Very small. Burlington. Watch this. Watch this lovely leveling. Plop. Do one more ride. You know, let's go to 2. See because I've never seen these buttons before, and I want to see the intermediate call station. I've never seen anything like this before. This is a treat. So I guess it does that on every floor. Oh, wow. Will it remember a call? Yes, it will. Wow. It's got a tray light. Wait, Melody, you want to see something funny? Wait, I want to do it right in the dark. Here we go. Let's ride in the dark. Oh no. I forgot I pressed both buttons. Let's see how long the wait timer is. This is a bit unnerving. The flash. Watch this lovely leveling. That is so weird. Oh, actually, you hear the relay. Guess it doesn't serve down there. Look at that call button. That is beautiful. Anyway, that's it.